Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox Join error. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox Join error, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to Roblox app and you will click here as you see. Then this page we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click on clear cache and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.